Introducing 𝗂𝗏𝗴𝗵, a collaborative welding robot by Laser Technologies. Now let's understand how this 𝗂𝗏 is going to help you improve your sheet metal fabrication processes. Easy to install, 4x production speed, 70% welding operations faster, 80% power saving, mass production with uniform welding. And the best part about this 𝗂𝗏 is you can manually teach the 𝗂𝗏 to program itself. So easy. This 𝗂𝗏 can be used in all the industries where welding is the major application, like automotive, kitchen equipment, sheet metal fabrication, elevator industry, electronics industry, aerospace, and control panel manufacturers. Contact our technical experts to know more about how this 𝗂𝗏 can help elevate your sheet metal fabrication process.